Inspired by the rugged beauty of the Key Peninsula, Longbranch was designed as a retreat that blends into the landscape, honoring the history and natural character of the land. The design process began with a vision of a home that felt at one with the terrain, with towering trees and winding country roads. After more than 3 decades of connection to the area, the goal was to create a place that felt timeless and natural, inviting family, friends, and pets into an atmosphere that celebrates the wild outdoors and thoughtful, sustainable architecture. Approaching Longbranch, the home is nearly hidden. Only a glimpse reveals its presence on the descending slope. A planted roof covered in prairie grass unites the building with the land, forming a sanctuary for local wildlife and making the home feel like a continuation of the earth itself. The landscape flows gently around and through the property, with trees standing like ancient sentinels at the entrance. These trees have been carefully preserved, with the building supported by piles and beams that span their roots, ensuring the forest remains untouched and interwoven with the built environment. Upon entering the home, visitors are greeted by expansive views that flow through the building, leading to the promontory and panoramic views of Case Inlet. Each room uniquely connects to the outdoors, some offering intimate alcoves where nature feels close enough to touch, while others frame expansive landscapes. Interiors are crafted with locally sourced materials, including Douglas fir beams and dark-stained cedar, which create a warm and grounded feeling. Every detail is designed to connect residents to their surroundings, fostering a sense of calm and serenity. The heart of Longbranch is a wood-framed pavilion with glass walls that opens the living areas to the outdoors, creating a subtle boundary between shelter and nature. Here, smooth concrete columns contrast with the rough texture of aggregate stone, emphasizing the blend of solid structure and fluid form. This delicate balance extends throughout the home, where private spaces feel intimate and grounded, while communal areas invite in views and natural light. This integration of indoor and outdoor spaces completes the vision of a home that truly becomes part of its landscape, a retreat that feels grounded yet expansive, timeless, and alive. The surrounding terraces and paths gently follow the contours of the land, offering a quiet space to observe the seasonal rhythms of the meadow and forest. Small gardens of native plants attract local pollinators, while shaded nooks provide cozy places for reflection and gathering. Trails meander throughout the property, leading to water views and connecting the home to its natural surroundings. The result is a home that fully embraces the forest and prairie, a testament to the timeless inspiration of the Key Peninsula.